Hello, everybody. Thanks for joining me today. I am Amin, and today I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can be free from debt or reduce debt. All right, without wasting much of our time, let's get to it. Number one, guys, do not go into debt in the first place. Going into debt can come to a point that it weighs you down and you're stuck in it. You don't know how to come out again. I know that there are so many people that enjoy owing other people. They enjoy it so that they suffer the other person at the other end. They keep borrowing and postponing. I'll pay. So guys, not going into debt and debt is a very good step to take from being out of debt, from being free from debt. So number two, guys, this is very important. It has actually helped me a lot in life, and I want you to cultivate that habit. When you're in debt already and you are stuck, you don't know what to do, you don't have money to pay off your debt, and so many people like going to borrow from somebody else to pay the person they are owing them. But guys, instead, I would like you to do this. Instead of borrowing, ask for help. Ask people. So many people, there are people in your life who would want to help you, who want to give you money. Let them give you some little amount that they can spare. So if you put them together, you see that you have some money to pay off your old debt. So do not borrow. It will lead you into going into more debt. The risk of going into more debt, and then it's painful, guys. You want to come out of debt. Let's get to 3. Hey guys, it's number 3. So many people did this a lot, including me. They're waiting for the time they get the money in bulk. They get the whole money so that they pay it off at once, boom, and the debt goes off. So number 3 is do not wait until you have it all before you pay. You can pay a little bit by bit, little by little, and then you will see at the long run that you don't have any debt to pay anymore. You owe someone. When you get a little amount of money, instrumentally you can just clear your debts. So guys, try it out. Number 4, guys, this is very important, guys. If something is essential, it's better that you own yours than you go to borrow from someone else too. Maybe because you don't want to spend money at that point. I've actually run into a point that I had to borrow something and I threw it away. Guys, it made me, I had to replace the one I threw away, and I had to buy my own too because it's very essential. So it's better you buy something and keep in your house because you need it, instead of going to borrow and suffering yourself. You spend the money to replace it, and it's not yours again. So guys, try it out. Hey, it's number 5 right now. And it's a great number, 5. Guys, the only thing that will make you, one of the things that will make you to go into debt is not having a good source of income. So get a good source of income and you won't have you have a reduced problem of going into debt, going to borrow money to do something. If projects comes out and a very essential project you need to do very fast, and you find out that you don't have any other choice than to borrow money. But if you have a good source of income, you have more chances to getting those money yourself and doing your projects, and you won't run into any debt. Get a good source of income and you will be okay, you'll be good, better off. Thank you everybody for watching this video to this point. I'm very glad that you did. I hope you've learned a lot from it. I want you to press the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and guys, see you next time.